Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our drive along Danforth Avenue in the heart of Toronto, Ontario, as we journey eastbound from Broadway Avenue to Greenwood Avenue, known as the Danforth. This vibrant stretch is the main artery of the Greektown neighborhood, a cultural hub that beautifully blends history, community, and a love for delicious food. Our journey begins at the intersection of Danforth and Broadway, where the energy of the city is palpable. As we head east, you'll notice the eclectic mix of shops, restaurants, and cafes that line the avenue. The Danforth is renowned for its Greek cuisine, and you'll find numerous family-owned tavernas and eateries offering traditional dishes like souvlaki, moussaka, and baklava. This area truly comes alive during the Taste of the Danforth Festival, a popular event that celebrates the neighborhood's rich Greek heritage with food, music, and cultural activities. Continuing our drive, we approach the intersection of Danforth and Greenwood, where the neighborhood's character begins to shift. This area is a blend of residential and commercial spaces, with a variety of local businesses and services. The Danforth is not just a place to eat and shop, it's a community where people from all walks of life come together. Thanks for watching!